Welcome back to Automotive, where we bring you the latest in automotive excellence. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Today, we're looking at the powerhouse of the trucking world, the 2025 Scania 770 SV8, a machine that redefines performance, comfort, and efficiency for long-haul transport. The Scania 770 SV8 remains one of the most powerful trucks on the market, delivering a massive 770 horsepower from its 16.4-liter V8 engine. With an incredible 3,700 Nm of torque, this truck is designed to handle the toughest loads with ease. Whether you're hauling freight across the country or tackling steep inclines, the power delivery remains smooth, efficient, and reliable. Scania's advanced OptiCruise transmission ensures seamless gear changes, reducing driver fatigue and improving fuel efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, the 2025 model introduces further refinements in fuel consumption. With an updated exhaust gas recirculation system and advanced turbocharging, Scania has optimized the balance between power and fuel economy. The aerodynamic improvements, including refined front-end design and airflow management, contribute to lower drag, enhancing both performance and efficiency. Inside the cabin, the Scania 770 SV8 is built for comfort. The redesigned dashboard is intuitive, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time data on fuel usage, tire pressure, and navigation. The infotainment system now includes wireless smartphone integration, ensuring drivers stay connected while on the road. The ergonomic seating offers exceptional lumbar support, making long-distance driving less strenuous. Additional features like ambient lighting, a premium sound system, and climate control transform the cabin into a luxurious workspace. Safety remains a priority in the 2025 Scania 770 SV8. The latest model comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and emergency braking. The improved camera and radar technology enhance visibility and awareness, making highway driving safer than ever. Scania's side defender system monitors blind spots, reducing the risk of accidents during lane changes. For fleet operators, Scania's fleet management system provides real-time tracking, performance analytics, and predictive maintenance alerts. This helps businesses optimize their operations, reduce downtime, and maximize profitability. The truck's enhanced connectivity features allow remote diagnostics, ensuring quick response times for maintenance and repairs. Scania has also focused on sustainability, with the 770 SV8 now supporting biofuels and HVO diesel, reducing carbon emissions without compromising performance. This makes it an excellent choice for companies aiming to reduce their environmental footprint while maintaining operational efficiency. The 2025 Scania 770 SV8 isn't just a truck, it's a statement of power, innovation, and driver comfort. With its unmatched performance, cutting-edge technology, and fuel-efficient design, it continues to set the benchmark in the heavy-duty trucking industry. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Scania 770 SV8. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoTalk for more in-depth reviews on the latest trucks and automotive innovations. See you in the next one.